Hello everyone, my name is Pritam and you're watching Tech with Pri. Welcome to my channel and I'm back with another tech video. If you are new in this channel guys, so this is my channel Tech with Pri and I post tech videos on every Monday and Thursday, and you can find the list of the videos here and you can watch the video that is required for you. Okay, so it's all tech videos guys, and first series I have completed with Windows Server and now we have started a new series that is cloud computing. Okay, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Also you can check my Facebook page and my Insta account and you can follow that. Now enjoy the video. Bye bye. Now this is the 14th video of this tutorial series called cloud computing with Microsoft Azure. Now in my last video we have understood the concept of Azure virtual network, and we found out that it was kind of like a glue, Azure virtual network, which binds the other Azure resources which requires the network service. Like for an example, it could be Azure virtual machine, and we have created the our first Azure virtual network, and also we have seen how we can define the different address space and how we can create subnets. So we have created two subnets called backend and for front end. So if you missed that last video guys, don't worry, I'm gonna put the link in the description, and also you can find the link right now here on your screen. Done. And in today's video we are going to learn very exciting things, so let's see what we are going to learn. So first we will learn today the most interesting topic, that is the Azure VPN. So we'll understand how Azure VPN works. So if you have no idea on VPN, or like you want to know more about VPN, it's kind of a new topic for you, so don't worry, I will post the link. Already I have uploaded video on the VPN in my previous series, so you can just go and clear your concept on there, and there you'd be able to learn so many different things about VPN. Okay, and we'll see what are the types of the Azure VPN. What is ExpressRoute? That's also part of the VPN, but it is something service that Microsoft Azure specially provides. The virtual network gateway and VPN, we will learn about that, and we will create our first virtual network gateway today, like the VPN gateway, you could say. Okay, so sounds good. So you already know about Azure VPN. So basically, it's a encrypted tunnel that we can use to transfer traffic that we know about the VPN. So it's a private network for sure, because the VPN stands for virtual private network. So it's a private network to connect outside machine to Azure network. Now, with the best of the VPN concept here in the Azure VPN, what we can do is that we can connect to the other machines, like if on-premises offices you have, and you want to connect that machine to the Azure virtual network and to connect to your office. So then you can use that VPN gateway actually to connect that. Okay. So it is private, meaning the traffic is end-to-end encrypted. Like I said, the definition of VPN stands for it is encrypted always. Data travels over the public network, that is the internet, but yeah, it is encrypted. Okay. So it follows the client server architecture, means like the machine which is going to connect to Azure virtual network, they had to have a VPN, what should I say, client, or a little bit VPN software that they need to install in the client machine, and once they connect it, they now can use the Azure virtual network with the help of the VPN gateway. We will learn about the VPN gateway later in this video. Okay, and finally, once you connect it to the Azure VPN, you can access systems by their private IP address. So suppose for an example, you are in a remote location and you want to connect your virtual machine. Okay, so you can access it with the help of the private IP address once you connect it to the VPN, so you don't need a public IP address for that. So that's how VPN is helping us. So we have three types of VPN. First one is the point to site, P2S it stands for. And P2S, it's simply like the when you use the suppose you have Azure virtual network created in the cloud, and you have little clients like five or six, or I mean, uh, not about the numbers, but you have very few clients who wants to connect to the Azure VNet virtual network. So then you can connect your devices with the Azure virtual network with the help of the VPN. So you can have the VPN configured in your client machine again, and then with that you can connect with the Azure directly, Azure and then Azure virtual network or the virtual machine. So that's the point to site. Then we have the S2S, the site to site, and site to site is something about like when a office, a full your office which is in located in on-premises location, and you want to connect to the public cloud, and if you want to use Azure virtual network, then you need to connect with the site to site. Site to site is a bit complex, you need to configure the VPN device for that. And we have third type of VPN, which is the ExpressRoute. And ExpressRoute is a kind of a special type of that Microsoft Azure provides. And we'll see what is that actually in later slides. So now we have a picture where we can see the point to site and the site to site VPN. So this is the point to site VPN tunnel. You can see P2S, and this is the site to site. And in the point to site, this is your Azure VPN, or you can see the picture of cloud. And this is a virtual network VNet1, which is configured under the East US. Okay, and all other details are there. So you are, suppose this is VPN client, one of the VPN client. Like I said, that for point to site, when there are less people or less client available, and they want to connect to Azure network, so you can just connect from your personal machine, or maybe you are in a remote location. So you just need to have the Azure VPN software installed, and once you connect to your Azure network, then you can use this network, and the traffic whichever is going will be go in the public internet. However, it will be encrypted under the VPN tunnel. Okay, you can see VPN tunnel. But for the site to site VPN, you can see an on premises full office which is needs to connect to the Azure VPN. And there the configuration would be difficult, and you have to configure the on premises VPN services. And that's nothing but a piece of software that, but you need to configure that to connect with the Azure VPN. Okay. In further video, or like in next video, we will see that how we can configure a point to site VPN, and that would be very, very interesting. And for that, we need to know the VPN gateway and the virtual network gateway, and will understand that today. Next, we have the ExpressRoute. So it lets you extend your on-premise network into Microsoft Cloud over a private connection with the help of connectivity provider. So for P2S or S2S, like point to site or site to site VPN, we have seen that the traffic, like it goes under the VPN gateway for sure, but the traffic that goes over the public internet. Okay, so but in ExpressRoute, this is special service that Microsoft provides, and it is totally a private network that is created by Microsoft. So your data will not go to the public network, but it would be totally in private network. It is also highly fast. It provides very fast service, and also it is costly for that. And to set up ExpressRoute, you need to contact with your connectivity provider, and they will set up the ExpressRoute. And again, it is costly because Azure is providing this service to to highly secure your network service. Okay, so it's fast and costly. Like I said, connection uptime is very high connecting up. Okay, now we understand the basic things about the VPN and things. Now we will continue to learn about the virtual network gateway, guys. I think this is very, very important, and we are going to configure it right now. So let's understand it. So virtual network gateway is a specific, you can say gateway, or is a way to connect, to use the, what should I say? The point to site configure the VPN services about connecting the on premises and your cloud network or Azure network, and we'll do that. And finally, we have the VPN gateway. The VPN gateway is a specific type of virtual network gateway. It's the same, it's a gateway only. So it's a virtual network gateway only that is used to send encrypted traffic between an Azure virtual network and an on premises location over the public internet. So this is kind of a like the same concept of virtual network gateway, but it is transferring the traffic over a secure tunnel end to end encrypted. So I hope the concept is clear. And now we will go to the Azure portal, and we will create our first VPN gateway. Here I am, guys, with our portal.azure.com in our Azure portal, and we can just search for virtual network gateway. Just I wanted to show you, on the last day we have created a virtual network called AZVNet01, this one, and we have created two subnet. And if I go to the subnet section, you can see I have created two subnet called front end and back end. Okay, now we are going to create a virtual network gateway in this virtual network AZVNet01. And to create a virtual network gateway, we will search for virtual network gateways, this one. Okay, and I will create virtual network gateway. And here you need to fill up this information. So first, the subscription is the free trial, that's fine. And resource group, we will select our virtual network, which is in the already in a resource group. So name of the instance would be what should we say, new gateway, and let's choose the location East US. And the gateway type is the VPN because we are going to choose the VPN gateway. Also, you know about the ExpressRoute. That is quite Microsoft provides the personal, what should I say, connection, and we won't be able to configure that here because that's how I said, like, you need to contact with the connectivity provider and need to set up for that. But we can create a VPN gateway. Next, the VPN type. So we want is to be on the route based. So most of the cases it is the route based. However, you can choose also the policy based. But in the route based, you can configure the point to site and site to site, all this VPN network. And we are creating this virtual network gateway for configuring the point to site, which we will see in the next video. So I will choose route based. The SQ is the nothing but the standard, basic, high, low. What is the standard, or what is the service you are looking for? Based on that, so you can choose basic one, and or all the other things. VPN gateway 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's choose the VPN gateway 1, and the generation is only 1. Now here you need to select the virtual network and have selected the virtual network that we have created. Is it VNet 01? And once you select that, the subnet or the gateway subnet address range, like you remember for virtual network also we had created this subnet range. So here, all for the gateway subnet also we need to create that. So this is the range automatically gets selected. Now we need to create a public IP address, and why it is. So you can understand the virtual network gateway is the internet facing, where your data will go from the or data will go or come from the from your on-premises location or from your remote location. You will request, and the traffic will come from the internet, public internet, and then it will come to the your VPN gateway. However, it would be encrypted fully, and also from VPN gateway, when the data will travel to your on-premises network, it will be in the same way go to the public internet. So you know that we need public IP address to use the public internet, which our devices. And you already know that we need to assign public IP address to use it on the internet, right? And again, if you have any confusion on public IP address and IP address, the video is already up in my channel. I'll give you the link. You can go and check it out. And let's give it a name: new public IP basic, and let's list of the things in default, and we can just go ahead and create that. So this is our virtual network gateway, guys, and with the help of this, we will, in the next video, we will go further and create our point to site VPN configuration, and I will try to show you how it works practically. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you learn a lot of things here about the VPN and how you can configure your first virtual network gateway. Now, it would take minimum 40 to 45 minutes time to create the virtual network gateway. So that is what written in the Microsoft website. So before also, when I've created, it took almost 40 minutes because so many things will deploy with this gateway. And so we will continue from this in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. If you find it helpful, hit the like button. If you have any confusion, come to the comment section, and please share this video with your friends and families so that it can reach out to many people. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.